So these chapters are time, speed, distance, permutation, combination, mixture, alligation, profit and loss, time and work, number system, and clocks. So these are the chapters that I need to prepare for quantitative aptitude in case of Infosys. Now, what does that mean? So if I summarize this story, if I'm good in verbal section, then most probably Infosys is the best choice for me. If I'm very good at quantitative aptitude, most probably TCS would be the easiest of the entire lot. So this is one summary. Now let's talk about the third point of discussion, or the second most important point according to me, which is technical preparation. How much technically that I need to be prepared for, or whether it makes a case of difference or not. That if I am very good at technical, which company I would be able to crack, that's one thing. Or if I'm very weak in technical, then where are my maximum chances? So this is the point of discussion over here. So let's talk about technical preparation. Technical preparation, if I talk about Infosys, the important point is, in case of Infosys, I will be exposed technically only to technical interview, which can also be a mixture of technical interview and HR interview. So what I'm trying to say, so if technically I want myself to be limited exposed, then Infosys most probably is the right choice for me, because I will have a technical interview or HR interview or both of them. While in case of TCS, I would be exposed to my technical knowledge thrice. One, while appearing in the CMCQ section in the written test. Second, while writing the coding in the written test. And third, while writing the technical interview. So I would be exposed thrice technical wise. I will let you know what comes into the CMCQ section, where you need to prepare for coding and all this. Let's move on to the next slide. So technical test, or any technique, or it's not only relevant to TCS, it's relevant to Wipro also, it's relevant to Capgemini also. So technical test will have questions from these subjects: data structure, C, C++, DBMS, core Java, networking, OS, OOPS, and software engineering. Next is technical interview, obviously will have the similar subjects, and now programming will programming can be C, C++, Python, any language that they can ask to write the code. So this is the difference. So again, if I summarize, I am very good in verbal, then Infosys would be a better choice for me. And if I'm technically weak and my verbal is good and my quant and reasoning are okay, most probably Infosys is the choice. If my quant and technical is good or very good, then my choice would be TCS. So that's the variation in terms of preparation. Next is from the futuristic angle. So if I focus myself only on one company, I should not do that. But if I focus only on one company, which of these two companies would benefit me more from the futuristic perspective? If I decide to write CAT, e-litmus, or any other MBA interest test later on. I believe all of you understand e-litmus is an open-ended examination where any person can write the test, and all very good startup companies, as well as the leading companies like Samsung and all, take up the e-litmus score. So that's why people prepare for e-litmus. E-litmus paper pattern is almost same as CAT. It's a younger brother of CAT, right? So e-litmus and CAT, they have level 3 quant, reasoning, and verbal. So if I'm preparing for CAT, most probably Infosys would help me out better. Why? Because Infosys paper has got reading comprehension. More than 50% of the paper of the CAT has got reading comprehension. Hence, Infosys would be better. So if you ask me genuinely, there's a better chance for an Infosys campus student to crack Infi as well as CAT in comparison to a TCS campus student. Again, the chances are better for a Infi campus student to crack Infosys, e-litmus, and CAT, and the chances are less for a TCS campus student. Why? Because the focus would be on verbal, and this comes in all the three papers. Hence, Infosys campus would have